Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Get ready to flip breakfast on its head, literally. Today we're making pineapple upside down pancakes, a fun twist on the classic dessert turned into a sweet golden morning treat. With caramelized pineapple rings, gooey brown sugar and a fluffy pancake base, these pancakes bring all the tropical nostalgic flavor of pineapple upside down cake right to your breakfast plate. Let's get cooking. Ingredients: 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1½ cup plant milk, 1½ teaspoons baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup brown sugar, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ cup of butter, 1 can pineapple ring slices, juice from can of pineapples, maraschino cherries. Preparation. In a mixing bowl, mix together your flour, baking powder and baking soda, and salt. Make a well in the center of your dry mixture, then add 1/2 of the pineapple juice from your can of pineapples, plant milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter and vanilla extract. Stir till combined into a batter. That's it. In a saucepan over a medium heat, add your sugar, 1/4 cup of butter and the other 1/2 of pineapple juice from your can of pineapple. Bring to a boil, stirring constantly until it reaches a syrup consistency. Remove from heat. Preheat your non-stick frying pan on a medium heat. Add in your slice of pineapple and let cook for 1 minute. Flip your pineapple and add a cherry into the center of your pineapple ring. Pour your mix on top of your pineapple ring into your pan in round circles. Cook till golden brown, then carefully flip and cook on the other side. And there you have it, pineapple upside down pancakes that are just as beautiful as they are delicious. Whether you're serving them for a weekend brunch or just treating yourself to something special, this tropical twist on a classic is sure to impress. Don't forget to top them off with a drizzle of syrup or a dollop of whipped cream for that extra wow factor. Enjoy every sweet sunny bite. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.